we need to go right. Go to the right. Go to the right. Yeah, it's really wide. They don't need you to get out of the way. They're fine. Okay, come on. Just go, honey. Get out of the grass. Get out of the grass. You're going the wrong way. You need help?